This is the elevator of Building A at the Bouquet Gardens at the University of Pittsburgh in South Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is another, or this one, not another. This one, buildings A through C have Dover Oildraulics with impulse, or Thyssen, I guess. These ones, I think A through C are slightly older because of the older numbers. But the four here go up. Then the newer ones have Schindler 321As, or there might be some 330As in the mix as well. Door takes forever to close. Maybe eventually it will close. There we go. Elevators are not in the best shape, but this one seems to be in slightly better shape than the Schindler. That one's in horrible shape. Here are four. Back down to one. Oh, it closed quicker this time. Oh, that time it closed a lot quicker. Here's an 88 phone. It's the original phone. It has a Dover logo on it. So it's not going to close. It's a Pitt elevator, so it's a combination passenger freight elevator. It's a basic Dover cab. It's like the Dover equivalent because I think the Schindlers are the same brake cab. All the elevators here have toggle or push-pull stop switches, not a key, which is weird for a dorm. I got one. This one's going to